Hi, this is your host. Today we'll learn about how to take care of dry skin during winter season naturally with herbs. Generally, in winter season, due to cold weather, the amount of water present in the atmosphere reduces, due to which, if proper care is not taken, then the moisture from the skin also starts to evaporate very fast. As a result, skin starts becoming dry, rough, and even may cause skin allergies or rashes, or sometimes even eczema can flare up. So, therefore, it becomes very important for us to protect our skin against dryness in winter season. So, today I'll be talking about 5 ways or 5 tips to prevent your skin from getting dry in winter season. And these are very simple tips that we can adopt easily in our daily routine and get rid of dry skin problem in winter season. First, coconut oil. Coconut oil is the most popular natural ingredient used for skin moisturization because it has unique fatty acids which are very similar to the natural oils produced by human body. Because of which, when we apply coconut oil on our skin, it gets easily absorbed by the skin and provides deep moisturization. The unique thing about coconut oil is that it is solid at room temperature, but when we apply it on our skin, it melts easily and gets absorbed in the skin. It also protects the skin from UV rays of sun. It has antimicrobial properties, so it prevents acne breakouts. Also, coconut oil prevents premature aging of the skin. To use coconut oil for skin moisturization, you can directly apply coconut oil on your face and body after coming back from bath, or you can mix coconut oil with sugar or salt for gentle exfoliation of dead skin cells and improve blood circulation. You can also add few drops of essential oils like lavender essential oil or geranium essential oil into the coconut oil and can use it for massage. This will provide nourishment to your skin. Second, aloe vera. Aloe vera is one of the best natural ingredients to prevent your skin from getting dry in winter season. It has high water content which helps to hydrate your skin. The proteolytic enzymes present in aloe vera repair damaged skin cells and promote healthy skin tissue. It also prevents acne breakouts and reduces redness and puffiness on the face. For using aloe vera for skin moisturization, you can directly apply aloe vera gel on your face and body after coming back from bath. Or you can mix aloe vera gel with some drops of coconut oil and can use it as a moisturizer. You can also add few drops of lemon juice and aloe vera gel and apply it on your face for getting an extra boost of hydration and also to get an even-toned skin. Third, honey. Honey is another great natural ingredient which can prevent your skin from getting dry in winter season. Honey is rich in antioxidants which protects the skin from damage caused by UV radiation. Its high sugar content makes it an excellent humectant, due to which, when applied on the skin, it locks the moisture in the skin and prevents the skin from getting dry. It also has anti-inflammatory property due to which it heals the wounds and rashes on the skin. To use honey for skin moisturization, you can directly apply honey on your face and body after coming back from bath, and scrub your skin gently and wash it after 15 minutes. Or you can mix honey with almond oil and can use it as a moisturizer. You can also add few drops of vanilla extract or almond extract in honey, and can use it as a face mask for 15 minutes to get nourished skin. Fourth, cream. Malawi cream is another popular home remedy to prevent your skin from getting dry in winter season. Malawi works as an excellent moisturizer because it has high fat content, and also it's an excellent humectant which locks the moisture in the skin. It also protects the skin from harmful UV rays of sun and reduces the early signs of aging, while taking care that the Malawi used should be fresh and good quality. To use Malawi for skin moisturization, you can either apply Malawi directly on your face and body after coming back from bath, or you can mix Malawi with cream or coconut oil and can use it as a moisturizer. Fifth, yogurt or curd. Yogurt or curd is one of the oldest home remedies to prevent your skin from getting dry in winter season. It has lactic acid which brightens the dull skin and gives you a healthy glow. The antifungal property of yogurt prevents skin infections like athlete's foot and ringworms. It also has antioxidants which protects the skin from premature aging. To use yogurt for skin moisturization, you can either apply yogurt directly on your face and body after coming back from bath for 15 to 20 minutes, or you can mix yogurt with cream or coconut oil and can use it as a moisturizer. Apart from these remedies, there are some other things also which you should adopt to prevent your skin from getting dry in winter season. First, stay hydrated, because when we don't drink enough water, then it shows on our skin too, which results in dry skin. So always try to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water in a day. Second, avoid taking long and hot baths because hot water removes all the natural oils from the skin, which results in dry skin. Always use lukewarm water for bath. Third, protect yourself from sun exposure because excess sun exposure causes dehydration of the skin and results in dry skin. So Always use sunscreen whenever you go out in sun and protect yourself from sun exposure. Fourth, increase the humidity in your bedroom at night because low humidity level causes dehydration of the skin. So you can use a humidifier at night in your bedroom to increase the humidity level. Fifth, eat healthy diet rich in vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin E, and essential fatty acids because these nutrients play an important role in maintaining the health of our skin. So always include vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin E, and essential fatty acids rich foods in your diet. By adopting these tips, you can take proper care of your skin in winter season and can prevent your skin from getting dry. Also, if you want to know more about how to take care of yourself in winter season, then click on this video. Thank you.